Hello friends, greetings from the volcano. See where I am? I am on the top of peak of Meradalahnúkur it's called, the peak of Meradalir, and we have a fantastic view from here. It's not a single soul here. Most of people are on the other side. It's only me. Well, there had been like 4 people here, but otherwise we are just by ourselves here, which is kind of nice. So let me show you the volcano today. So this is the volcano today, and it's incredible view as always. You have much bigger cone here, which grew in size significantly, and it's also surrounded now. Volcano surrounded from all the sides, just some open into the front only. So it's a kind of encircling the wind. Now we have a proper mountain. A big change in 1 week time. So we will take a look now how it's developing. The wall is collapsing, of course. I saw from a drone some blocks from the wall almost falling into the wind. So things are constantly changing at the volcano, collapsing, rebuilding itself, growing all the time. Look, wow, this was very high. And there behind you see Volcano of the last year eruption. Big explosions. It reminds the last year volcano in Meradalir so much. It's getting so similar. Big lava lake behind, you see. Lots of noise coming from the volcano. I will just remove the vent socket and you will hear the noise. Okay, I remove it now. I hope you can hear the explosions. Splashing kind of explosions. Whistling noise comes from FPV drones, which are flying at a great speed over the volcano. Pretty steep here, as you see, but it's okay to walk here. We will also go on the other hill, so we will have views from every corner possible. Not so much wind today, pretty okay conditions. See, the walls are kind of collapsing. You can see it better from the drone. Many people on the hill there, as you see. Really many people. Because they walk trail A and I'm kind of from the opposite side. I came a different way by bike as last time. So this is the situation today. We are on the slopes of Meradalir peak, and no lava on the edges here to film. There was lava dropping there. I was there, but I kind of film it a bit. So all the best to you.